To cast the screen of your Realme 14 Pro into your TV or, for example, some external monitors, first of all, you will have to start by opening settings, and you have to be connected into the Wi-Fi network, the same Wi-Fi network like on your TV. If you are sharing for, a wireless monitor, you have to turn on Bluetooth. Then you'll have to go for connection and sharing, move into screencast, and you have to click to search for display devices. Now, enable audio recording, location, photos and videos, basically everything. Click agree and continue. And now allow for scanning for nearby devices and additionally the notifications. Click agree and continue. And now it's actually searching for nearby devices. So as you can see here, I can find all of my TVs. And if I want to connect with the first one, the LG for example, I'll have to tap on it. And then by using remote control, I will have to actually click and accept the parent request. If it is not working, then simply try to scan again or reboot your phone and also your TV.